And action. Thanks for joining us on another episode of our Quick 56 Gasser series here on Dive Bomber's Garage. So today we got a special guest. One Fast Eddie's going to join us, also known as Sean. So he's building a 56 Chevy wagon at the same time that we're doing the sedan. So we're going to be making brackets and hoops to build ourselves a self-contained radiator mount that will be able to be used with our tilt front ends. So he's headed over right now with his radiator that we're going to use for mock-up so we can start building our mounts. Walk into the shop.
Do I want to pull it out of the box?
No.
No. This is an all-star radiator from Summit. 24 by 19. Why are you measuring it? It's 24 by 19.
Well, but it's not.
Oh, maybe that's the core.
18 and 5/8.
That's close to 19.
21.
You round up when you're measuring.
Right. Okay, so the center of this is 20.
This is an all-star radiator because it says right here all-star. And it's got a star on it.
I like the side tanks. Those look nice.
Yeah. I'm going to paint those gold.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. You should always paint your stuff that's supposed to keep your motor cool.
Yep.
Because it keeps it cooler on the inside.
Right.
You're trying to get the fan centered on the radiator? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, well, we got to make mounts, so we might as well just make them according to how high the fan is.
Gotcha.
So that would be 1 inch. So we're going to make a cradle for the bottom of the radiator tanks that is 1 inch tall with the rubber and all the stuff. So, and we're going to angle this back at 3 degrees so that way it's all.
Because the motor is 3 degrees.
Yeah.
I was just talking about how I wanted to go to Phil's on a field trip.
We'll wait till he's really busy with stuff and then make him stop and work on our stuff.
Well, I want to go see that Nomad that he's going to tear apart.
Oh.
We need Dive Bomber Garage stamps like that.
We did a little side job for Dan's kid, and he's going to sandblast the bumpers for both cars. That means we don't have to do it.
Yo.
Hey, I just needed to call you about something important.
This should be good.
Your kid was just here.
Huh?
He's too nice to be your kid.
Yeah, but he'll get there.
Did he say he'll get there? Yeah, that's true.
He's a pretty cool guy, actually.
Yeah, he's great.
Yeah,
Life hasn't beaten him down yet.
He's getting 26 miles per gallon in his Dodge, and I'm getting 13.
I know. I hear ya.
What
He
the heck?
reminds me that my truck gets shit mileage compared to his as well.
But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a call. I also need to remind you that there's a GTO.
Taking up space.
It's so close.
You want more crap in your way?
I like working in clutter. Was the camera on?
I don't know. Is your microphone on? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
That cab's coming along nice.
So just line that up.
But, yep.
Something like that. And then 90 degrees.
And then you just lift up on this.
Nope.
Where's the...
Down there.
Oh, this right here.
Yeah.
Well, this is easy. That looks like 90 degrees, I think. Oh, let's go a little bit past. Oh, yeah. It's like straight up in the air. Okay. So to do this one,
So we're
boy, when you clamp this thing down, it really moves.
just have to judge it.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to make our parallel lines with this, and then he's bending them.
Oh, there's a freaking line here.
What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. I'm fine. Nothing's broken.
Beauty, Clark.
Clark. It's the holiday season. You want me to unbend those?
A little bit.
I went a little heavy.
It's just metal. We
Yeah.
can glue it, unglue it, bend it, unbend it.
Oh, that one's perfect.
Nice.
Oh yeah, got a little. The problem is I'm so strong.
Orange gloves
Sometimes
make you
I
stronger.
forget. That's what we have.
Okay, so now we're gonna center the radiator in our pad and mark the right at the edge. I didn't do a very good job there. So that way we can put our straps right there. Yeah.
We could make this really complicated and do that.
Learn how to TIG weld while we
I haven't. I
can
used to
call
be pretty good.
we can call Kevin and Phil every 3 minutes while they're working.
Yeah, how do you get the tungsten to stop sticking to the metal?
That'd be awesome.
Are you going to weld it on that welder?
What?
Where are you going to weld at?
Right here?
Oh. Man, it's like 1,000,000 degrees in here.
This episode of Dive Bombers Garage is brought to you by a warm heater, sponsored by Dan Williamson, also known as Uncle Danny.
You want me to zap it?
We have like vices and all kinds of cool stuff
Yeah.
that we could probably do, but
Why not
that'd be
use
dumb.
this? And why not use a welding hood? Oh, I got to turn it on. I hear it. Oh yeah, this thing's ready.
Yep.
Maybe I should have checked this thing's voltage.
I gotta mark all these. Hold on.
I bought caffeinated soda waters and left them in my bus.
Those won't go bad while you're gone.
No, but I'd really like one right now so I can talk faster. Otherwise, I talk slow.
We have these beautiful lower radiator cradles made, and we're going to tack them on here and test fit our radiator. I already did this.
You don't want to hold this up there first? Oh no, because you know how to read a tape measure. Oh, that's what those lines are there for. That's where those go.
This is how we need to buy all our hot rods from now on. OEM. As I'm making the radiator mounts, Sherman has found more problems in the bottom of the quarter panel. So he's going to be working on that. I'm going to be working on the front of the car, and we're going to walk around over here to the passenger side of the car. So yesterday we made our mount for our radiator. This is our little row bar thing here. So we made all our pieces and then tacked the angled lower cradle, set the radiator in there, and then installed our rubber mounts, and then set this thing on there with slight, just a little bit of pressure. Marked our hoop pieces, cut them, then added our little plug with the bolt that's welded in the inside, and then marked it for our tabs. So in case you have, in this, like our 56 here, if you have a tilt front end, you can obviously tilt it without the radiator being attached to the front core support. Also, we're going to make some tabs for the radiator overflow on this support bar. And then if you wanted to, you could add tabs to the front of this, put your AC condenser on it. So that way, if you needed to do a motor change, this could come off and separate from the radiator, put the radiator off to the side, and then just lean this over against the tire, and you wouldn't have to crack open the AC lines and have to do that all over. We got this done. I had to borrow Sean's radiator because mine's stuck in the mail. 'Tis the season. So while we're waiting on that, I'm going to be back on the steering. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on another episode of the Quick 56 Gasser series. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. It helps out the channel a lot. And also go to our website, divebombersgarage.com, and get yourself some apparel. Thanks. Today on Dive Bombers Garage, it's New Year's. So we're going to do New Year's burnouts, except tires are really expensive, so we're going to do it in our friend's car.